Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you that how we can make a bracket for stepper motor for 3D printer. So this is an stepper motor, and we have taken a stainless steel plate. First of all, what we will do, we will take measurements. The thickness and width of a stepper motor. Then we will draw on our plate according to the thickness of the motor. These are the lines, and you can see that we have drawn. Now we will take the center of this and we will mark it with the help of a scale, as these are marked as center. You can see this is the center and this is the center. We will screw it later for this housing. We have to cut this on the plate, so then we will check that how far there are screws, and we will mark it on here. As you can see, these screws, we will then measure the width of the screws. It is 4.5 millimeters screw width. Now we will drill here for 4.5 millimeter screws, and then we also mark here on the opposite side for the cutting, where we can screw our brackets to our frame. You see that now we have cut here with the help of angle grinder. So here we will remove this with the help of drill, and you can see that it fits perfectly. See that? Check. So here at these 4 places we will drill holes here at this place and then here, so it will be perfect bracket for this motor. So we will install it where we want. Now we are going to drill holes here and cut this. You can see. So let's do this. Now these brackets are finished and you can install it. Here you can watch.